Okay,
Home sweet
you made
home.
it home.
Well done, Victor.
Yeah.
Good job.
Okay.
Safe and sound.
Let's see if things are still there. Well, hi. Back from the Pacific Northwest Element Meetup, and well, it was pretty amazing seeing everybody out there, and it was one hell of a long trip. 7,095 miles we traveled, and that is like 11,418 kilometers. And we made it back. We were having some difficulties. I just unloaded everything, and the element's actually working a bit better now. It was under a lot of stress, especially through the Rockies there. Had to keep it in third gear almost all the time, and drove all the way back in third gear. So I was getting a few error codes, cylinders misfiring once in a while, but nothing major. But we're going to see if we can smooth everything out now. But before I went, I did change a few things. I did an oil change, and we're going to change the oil again. Now we went over 7,000 miles on that oil change, synthetic. I'm using the Costco synthetic, which is great stuff. It's only $45 for two 5-liter containers. So that's 2 oil changes. So I got these track motive, and I tell you, they are cheap. These were only about $60 a piece, and I don't know if you can remember, but last time when we were in Mexico, I had them changed, and it's almost as expensive changing the oil seals as it is the cost of the bloody axle. Well, and also I replaced all 4 rotors and pads, and again, this was from Auto Shack, and incredibly cheap, like $200 for all 4 wheels with pads. So, let her go. That oil's been in there for 7,000 miles. This one had been in for 5,000 miles, but over a longer period. Stop and go, city driving, some highway. This is almost completely highway driving. And we're pushing it pretty hard, a lot of weight on the car. I just want to see if we can see any difference on some white paper here. So that's the 5,000. This is 7,000. I think it's a toss-up. Not a lot of difference. I think you can stretch it. Just going to take all the wheels off and put her on jack stands. How those new rear axles worked out, and the brakes. Actually, the brakes look pretty good. The front look very good too. So if we take a look at our tires, we can see that extra weight that we carried at the back on the back tires has just taken the corner right off both rear tires. And you could see your back wheels were canted, but not a whole lot we can do about that. And next time we'll just put those on the front and put the front ones back and wear the corners off them. But inside the rims are all kinds of grasshoppers stuck to the inside. But they won't cause any problem. The Costco oil is almost the right amount to fill this up. So it's 4.73 liters. So we'll just put the new oil in. Make sure you got your drain plug in. Good. Sure you put your cap back on. All done. Let's get the tires back on. So now we just have to torque these in a star pattern. Cap, filters there. We're ready to go. Well, that's it. All cleaned up. Well, mostly cleaned up. That was a month of bugs. But, yeah, you know, good enough for now. She's looking pretty good, and with the new oil, filter, new spark plugs, and a week or so we'll get the part for the air conditioner and get the air conditioning working again. Now I just got to clean up the inside.